Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about LED cabinetry spotlights. We don't need to tell you that LED lighting has become very popular over recent years, and that's for good reason. LED lights use up to 80% less energy than standard incandescent bulbs and have a long life, usually at least 15,000 hours from a quality unit. They don't suddenly fail, instead they slowly lose brightness over time, so you have a chance to replace them before you lose the light. Frequent on-off switching doesn't impact the lifespan of LED lights, and they generate very little heat, which makes them great for recessing into cabinets or furniture or for lighting precious things like artwork, for example. It also means they're safer as they stay cool to the touch even when they've been on for a long time. Modern LED lights are durable and don't use fragile components, so they can withstand shock, vibration and extreme temperature. At Fit, we're proud to be the New Zealand distributor for LED spotlights and strip and accessories from Domus line of Italy. The Domus line range includes 12 volt and 24 volt options, and all Domus line LED lights are approved for the New Zealand market. We absolutely understand there is a huge range of LED lighting out there. We just make one suggestion or plea to you when you're selecting LED lighting for your kitchen or other parts of your home. Make sure it's approved for the New Zealand market. Let's take a look at one of our Domus line LED spotlights, the Smally Plus. Smally is a 72mm wide LED spotlight for recessed insulation. Wide beam gives you a larger lit area for task lighting, perfect for under overhead cabinets shining onto benches or for inside display cabinets, for example. And the lighting itself has a uniform appearance without the dotty effect that old LED lights used to have. Smally is available in 3 finishes: painted aluminium, chrome plated, and satin nickel plated. Smally comes in natural white and warm white light colors. Now, if you're not familiar with those terms, I guess the best comparison is that natural white is like window light on a clear spring day at noon, and warm white is more golden in tone. There's a couple of points that make Smally really quite easy to use. It has an innovative plug and play power lead that means you can disconnect easily to remove it if you need to, and lateral pressure steel springs so it's easy to install without tools.